Welcome to Prism Insights. I'm Dr. Jeff Bullock's digital avatar, guiding you through exciting AI and tech developments. Today, we explore Disney's new Accelerator, the Justice Department's AI chief, investments in humanoid robots, and Klarna's AI shaking up fintech. Lots to cover, so let's dive in. Disney has always been a leader in innovation, understanding, and embracing technological shifts to enhance experiences and bring timeless stories to life. The Disney Accelerator allows us to continue this legacy of innovation and the responsible use of technology in service of storytelling, said Bonnie Rosen, GM of the Disney Accelerator. As we kick off the 10th year of the program, we are joined by leading companies that share our belief in the unmatched power of human creativity and imagination, exploring new ways to bring Disney magic to fans everywhere. The Justice Department appointed Princeton professor and technology law researcher Jonathan Mayer as its first chief AI officer as it figures out how AI impacts law enforcement. Attorney General Merrick Garland said in a statement that appointing an AI officer was important for the department to keep pace with rapidly evolving scientific and technological developments. Amazon.com founder Jeff Bezos, NVIDIA, and other big technology names are investing in startup Figure AI that develops human-like robots, Bloomberg News reported on Friday, citing people with knowledge of the situation. Klarna CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski bragged on Tuesday that his company's new OpenAI-powered customer service chatbot was doing the work of 700 people, nearly 2 years after Klarna laid off about 700 people. The CEO explained that in the chatbot's first 4 weeks, it had handled about 66% of its customer support, or about 2.3 million chats. Klarna announced its new chatbot in a press release on Tuesday. Thank you for joining me for this edition of Prism Insights. Your curiosity and drive to explore the unknown are what make our community so vibrant and forward-thinking. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let's shape a future where technology amplifies our potential for good. Don't miss out on joining our Prism AI family on Skool. Connect, learn, and grow with entrepreneurs and AI enthusiasts just like you. See you there.